How to fix slow download speeds in Steam on Windows 11. 1. Check for network-related issues. 2. Update or reinstall the network drivers on your PC. To do so, you may use the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. 3. Disable VPN or proxy servers. 4. Check and change the Steam download region. 5. Close unused apps hogging up the bandwidth via WTM. 6. Disable bandwidth restrictions inside Steam. To do so, uncheck limit bandwidth to or throttle download while streaming. 7. Ensure your security software allows Steam through its settings. 8. Uninstall, reinstall then re-update Steam.